By the way, here's Trump playing not 5D, not 7D, but I think 10D chess with the deep state. I had to do one more video. Someone sent this to me in an email, and I've been waiting for the actual source information so I could link to it and say, oh, this is definitely legit. Because I heard about this today, but I hadn't found any really good sources. Genius. Trump orders circuit court reassignment. He puts Justice Kavanaugh, Supreme Court Justice, all of the Supreme Court Justices, well, 4 of them, one in charge of Michigan, one of the justices in charge of Wisconsin, one in charge of Pennsylvania, and one in charge of Georgia. Okay? Source, supremecourt.gov, orders, PDF file, and Supreme Court Justice blog someone put up. The new circuit assignment list signaled a reprieve for Justice Stephen Breyer, who normally serves as the circuit justice for the relatively small First Circuit. Since Ginsburg's death in September, Breyer also has been pinch hitting under the Supreme Court's rules as the circuit justice for the larger and busier Second Circuit. Emergency requests and applications for extensions from the Second Circuit will now go initially to Sotomayor instead, on wherever that one's at. So Sotomayor's moved to the Second Circuit, which had been previously assigned to the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. A circuit justice is primarily responsible for emergency requests. Oh, you mean like election interference? Do we need to look at this? For example, an application to block an execution or to allow it to go forward from the geographic area covered by his or her circuit, as well as more mundane matters, such as requests to extend filing deadlines. Or how about voter stuff? However, justices can and often do refer significant emergency requests to the full court, a role that has taken on increased importance in recent years with the sharp uptick in activity on the court's shadow docket. A map of geographical regions covered by each circuit is available by clicking here. And they link to this other article about shining light on the shadow docket. I'm just curious what this is. Near the end of 2 meandering days of questions at last week's, this is from October 22nd, 2020, last week's Senate hearing for Amy Coney Barrett, probably has never been asked, are you aware of the Supreme Court's, as it's called, shadow docket, he asked. Barrett, who clerked for Justice Antonin Scalia, said she was. The shadow docket has become a hot topic in the last couple of years, she added. Barrett is right. In fact, in just the last few months, the court has issued emergency rulings on coronavirus policies, immigration restrictions, capital punishment, access to abortion, the U.S. Census, and procedures for the upcoming election. All of those rulings have been part of the court's shadow docket. So when they say, I was just curious, are they talking Supreme Court or the Circuit Court? This sounds like Supreme Court. So, again, Trump and them have all their ducks in a row. He's got his conservative Supreme Court justices, all reassignments, and all 4 of these hotly contested states. This is epic. I'll put a link to both of these websites for you, the Supreme Court site and this other one. Take care.